Hello everyone, welcome to Extra Touch Academy, where you will learn, grow and become. So we are going to be looking at range sets, under sets. So we are going to be looking at how to interpret some of those questions here. For example, in this range set, we are going to be looking at inequality symbols, how to interpret it when you have this kind of question in sets. Okay, we have list the elements of the set below. We have I, G, set G is equal to X. This thing means such that 1 less than X less than 5. So when we have two types of inequality. We have the strict inequality and the weak inequality. So in the strict inequality, which is less than or greater than, for example, in under range set, we pick once it is less than, the number at the boundary are not included. The numbers at the boundary. For example, if you are to list all the elements here, you can see that this is 1 less than X. So we are looking at from 1 to 5, So since this is less than, we'll start with the next one, which is 2, 3, 4. Then we are not picking this 5, except if we have equal to, or we have equal to here, we'll start with 1. But since we don't have equal to here, so we are going to start with the next one. So that is what happened here. For example, in this one, we are told to list all the elements here. This is 16 less than. There is no equal to. So we start with the next one, which is 17, 18. Then we have equal to now. Less than or equal to 19 is included. But if equal to is not here, I will stop at 18. Then I have X such that 25 less than or equal to X. So I'll start with 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'll stop at 29 because there's no equal to there. So the elements there are 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So I have the next one, 3 less than or equal to is there. So I have 3, 4, 5, and 6 is also included. So the idea here is that once there is no equal to there, the number at the boundary are not included. The numbers at the boundary depending. So you can see here, there is no equal to there. So 1 was excluded. We started with 2. But here, we had equal to. That number was included. So we have some questions to illustrate how to solve this. Let's go to number 1 right away. So we have number 1 here. So you start with this is your universal set. Always start with the universal set. List all the elements in the universal set. So I have set U, which is the universal, where all the other sets will come from. We have 3, 6, 9 to 45. So I have 3, 6, 9. So these are multiples of 3, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, then 45. So this is all the elements of the universal set. Then we have subset A. Y such that Y is less than 22. So we are going to list all the numbers that are less than 22 and bring it here for set A. So we have set A is equal to 3 is less than 22, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So we'll stop here. So we'll stop here because 24 is not less than 22. So but all the numbers here are less than 22. So we'll go to set B. We go to set B. y is a factor of 45. It means that all the factors of 45, will list them here. So let us start from there. Y is a factor of 45. So it means the number that can go into 45 without a remainder. 3 can go into 45 without a remainder. 9 can go into 45 without a remainder. 15 can go into 45 without a remainder. And 45 can also go into itself without a remainder. So all those things are factors of 45. We extracted this from this universal set here. 3 going to 45 will give you a whole number without a remainder. 9, the same thing with 9, the same thing with 15, the same thing with 4 to 5. So let's go to the next one. So we have listed all the elements in the universal in the set A and set B. So we have find I number. This thing means cardinality of sets. So I n bracket the universal. It means how many elements are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 of them. That is the answer. Then we go to II. We have A union B. A union B. Union B means the combination of all the elements in A and B without repetition. What does it mean? Anyone that is here and also here, don't repeat it more than once. So let us start. We have 3, we have 6, we have 9, we have 12, we have 15, we have 18, we have 21, we have 45, and that should be the answer. You can see that 3 is common in 2 of them. I only wrote it once. Don't repeat it. We have 9 common in 2 of them. I wrote it once. We have 15 common in 2 of them. I wrote it once. Anyone that repeats more than once, don't repeat it twice. So we'll go to the next one. The next question is I. A intersection of B. A intersection of B means what is common in A and B, in set A and B. 3 is common there. 9 is common there. And 15 is common there. And that should be the answer. So with this, we are done solving the first question. Let's go to number 2. Let me try to clean here so that we can go to number 2 and also solve it there. Solve the questions. So we have number 2 here. We have, given that the universal, remember what I told you, always start with the universal set. So the universal set is such that -3 less than. So is -3 included? No, because there is no equal to there. So you start with -2. So we have -2, -3, sorry, -2, -1, 0, because it's going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then there's equal to here. 15 is included. 15. So these are the elements of the universal set in number 2. Then let us list set A. Set A is equal to, we have 3 less than or equal to x less than 15. So let us start with 3. Is 3 included? Yes, because we have equal to there. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Remember, there is no equal to, so don't include this 15. So we stop at 14. Set B. is equal to minus 1 less than x. There is no equal to. So on your number line, after minus 1, the number to the right is 0. So we'll start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is not included because there is no equal to there. There is no, this sign is not there. So if this sign was there, we'll include 8. But since there is no equal to there, so we are going to exclude this 8. So we'll stop at 7. Then we have listed all the elements there. Let's go to the question. The first one, they said find A union B. Then complements. This thing means complement. First of all, let us get what is inside the bracket first, which is A union B. A union B means the combination of all the elements in A and B without repetition. So let us arrange it in ascending order from the smallest number. So we're looking at the elements in A and B. The smallest in the two sets is 0, followed by 1. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So this is the answer for A union B. You can see there is no number in set A and B that was not represented. Then, but we are told to find A union B complement. It means what is in the universal set that is not in this. The numbers that are in the universal set that are not here. So let us look at it. Minus 2 is here, is not here. We include it. Minus 1 is here, is not here. 0 is here. 1 is here. 2 is here. And so on. Then 14 is here. Then 15 is here, but it's not here. So the answer is minus 2, minus 1, and 15. So the numbers that are in the universal set that are not here are minus 2, minus 1, and 15. Let's go to the second question, II. We have A complement. Let us get A complement first. A complement means what is in the universal set that is not in set A. So what are the elements that are universal that are not in A? You can see minus 2 is not there. Minus 1 is not there. 0 is not there. 1 is not there. 2 is not in A. But other numbers are there apart from 15. 15 is not there. So we also include 15. So A complement, these are the elements for A complement. It means what is in the universal set that is not in set A. So, but we are told to find A complement intersection of B. It means what is common in A complement and in set B. So look at this A complement and this set B. What number is common there? Let's check. 0 is in 2 of them. 1 is in 2 of them. 2 is in 2 of them. So this is the answer, and that is all for that number 2 question. Okay, let's go to number 3. So we'll go to number 3. So you have to be very careful in trying to interpret what is given to you so that you will not make any mistake. So we have number 3 here. We have given that x. So let us start with universal. I always like starting with universal so that you can be able to list all the elements in the subset there. So this is the universal. Let me start with the universal there. This is from 10 to 20. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So let us list the subsets. Set X is such that 10 less than or equal to, so I'll start from 10 and stop at 14 because there is no equal to here. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. But if this thing had equal to, I'll include 15. Set y such that even numbers less than 18. So even numbers that are less than 18 from this universal set, 10, 12, 14, 16 are even numbers less than 18. Then the first question is I. Find S intersection of Y. It means what is common in set X and Y. The element that you can see in set X and Y. 10, you can see 10 is in two of them. 12 is in two of them, and 14. And that is the answer. So I will start with this S complement. So I have S complement. So S complement means what is in the universal set that is not in this set X. Let's look at it. 10 is there, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then the other ones are not there. We have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So let us get this inside first. This is X complement intersection of Y. X complement intersection of Y. What does it mean? S complement intersection of Y means what is common here in X complement and also common in Y. So let's check it. Okay, we have only 16. So we have 16 there. 16, you can see 16 in this set Y and also X complement. There is nothing that you can see that is there in two of them apart from 16. Then the next question they ask you is find the words, the complement of this answer you got here. So what does it mean? S complement intersection of Y bracket complement means what is in the universal that is not here. So let us, all the numbers, you cannot find it here apart from 16 that is there. So let us list it. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I can't write 16 because it's here. 17, 18, 19, 20. But we are told to find the cardinality, means how many number of elements are here. X complement intersection of Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 of them, and that will be the final answer. So go through this, try to solve it on your own, and look for similar questions. And that is all for range set. Please subscribe, like the video, comment, and if there's any topic you want me to discuss, please try to comment and put it in the comment section so that I can see it. And in one of our videos, we are going to talk about Venn diagram, 2-set problem, 3-set Venn diagram, and other things. We'll cover every aspect of sets. See you in the next video. Thank you.